On Friday the 25th of April, we delivered a PINS training and workshop day for schools that have signed up for part of the PINS project. The purpose of a PINS project is to develop school skills and strengths and knowledge to support students who are neurodiverse.
In the morning, we ran 3 sessions and it was in a rotation. So I held the bucket time workshop, so that promotes attention and listening and getting students engaged. One of our other sessions was sensory circuits and social stories that Lorraine delivered, and 2 members of the other team did a workshop on Lego therapy.
We really wanted the participants to be able to have some strategies and resources that they could take back to their settings to use with their pupils with SEN, and just realising that actually you don't need to have really extortionate budgets to be able to provide these resources.
They had lots of goodies to take away with them. We provided a bag of bucket time starters. They had things to take away for box tasks and workstation activities. We provided them with a pack of maths activities, a pack of English activities. They came away with social story ideas and some Lego ideas and packs to take away with them to start using in their school and to share with everybody that works with them.
They also had a sensory checklist, which can help to decide which pupils would benefit from sensory circuits. And also I put together a sign-along booklet for keywords that would be quite useful for them to use in their settings. So if people want to get in touch, they can go onto the Fortis Trust website and look at all the different training that we can offer and support we can offer to schools.